In chapter 2, lesson 4, it says add mentally. How many seats are in 2 train cars? Well, let's see what they said. Add mentally, what they want you to do is to, I have 151, right? 151. What form is this? They decomposed 151. What form is this? Expanded form. So basically, that's just what they want you to do. Okay? How do I expand 128? 100 plus 20 plus 8. And then you just add the columns. 1 plus 8 is 9. 50 plus 20 is 70. And 100 plus 100 is 200. And then I'm adding across. So I have 200 plus 70 plus 9. I put them all together is 279. Obviously, the other way you could do it is 151 plus 128. 1 plus 8 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2. And there are multiple ways to do a problem. So again, we have, so 151 plus 128 is 279. So how many seats are in the 2 cars? 279. Okay, it is easy to make 100 from numbers that end in 98 or 99. Okay, so to find 134 plus 99, okay, you add or subtract 1 to, these numbers are easier to add. So I add 1 to 100. I add 1 to 99, I get 100. I subtract 1 from 134, I get 133, and then I add those together. Okay. 133 plus 100 would be 233, and that's what you get. Again, another way, just 134 plus 99. 4 plus 9 is 13. Put the 3 down, carry the 1. 3 plus 9 is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. And then you carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 233.
Add numbers mentally. You can make 100 to help you add mentally. Find 199 plus 43.
I can break apart a number to make 100. 1 plus 199 makes 200.
200 plus 42 equals 242. So 199 plus 43 equals 242. Let's see if we can make 100 to add 77 and 298. We can break 77 apart to 75 and 2. 298 plus 2 is equal to 300. 300 plus 75 equals 375. So 77 plus 298 equals 375.
So look at the example. It says there are 37 students from grade 3A and 25 students from grade 3B on the bus. How many students are on the bus? Use mental math. It says take or subtract 5 from the first addict. So 37 minus 5 would be what? 32. And then it says you do the opposite to the bottom. 25 plus 5 would be 30. They showed it to you right here. So 32 plus 30 is 62. So there are 62 students on the bus. So let's double check. 37 plus 25. 7 plus 5 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Yep, that's right. Okay. So another way is you take 37 plus 3 would be 40. And then you take 25 minus 3. What's 25 minus 3? 22. And then add those together. Plus, it tell you right there. 40 plus 22, again, would be 62. So how many students are on the bus? 62. Says break apart the items to add mentally. So I went 79 equals 70 plus what? Just put it in expanded form. 70 plus 9. Here I have 54 equals 50 plus 4. And then just I add. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 70 plus 50 is 120. Then I add those together. So 120 plus 13 would be 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1 plus 0 is 1, so it's 133. Here, it says make it 10 to add mentally. So I have 8, I need to add how much to make 10? 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And then I do the opposite to the other number. Okay, 64 minus 2 would be 62. So 62 plus 10 would be just 72. So breaking the numbers apart so that when you come up with numbers that are like, they're easier to add, that's all.